Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is tablet deduster. What is a tablet deduster? A tablet deduster is a vital piece of equipment used in the pharmaceutical industry to remove excess powder from tablets. During tablet compression, residual powder sticks to the tablet's surface, which needs to be cleaned before the tablets move to the next stage of production, such as coating or packaging. The tablet deduster ensures that the final product is clean, improving quality and ensuring compliance with standards. So how does it work? The deduster operates by gently vibrating or rotating to dislodge powder from the tablets as they move through a series of perforated plates or vibrating screens. The vibration forces the tablets to rub against each other, causing the excess powder to fall away. The clean tablets are then collected at the machine's exit, while the dust is suctioned into a dust collector. The process is efficient and ensures that the tablets maintain their shape and integrity. Main applications: the tablet deduster is mainly used in the pharmaceutical industry, but it's also applicable in other industries like food and nutraceuticals. Anytime tablets, capsules, or similar solid products are produced, a deduster can be used to ensure that the products are dust-free before they reach the next stage of production. Main part structure. Now, let's look at the main components. A typical tablet deduster includes 1. Vibrating unit. This part creates the vibration that shakes off the powder. 2. Perforated plates or mesh screens. These allow dust to fall through while the tablets move along. 3. Tablet inlet and outlet, where the tablets enter and exit the machine. 4. Dust extraction unit. This pulls the loosened powder into a collection system, keeping the environment clean. 5. Control panel, for managing the speed, vibration intensity, and other settings. The entire structure is made from stainless steel to ensure compliance with hygiene and quality standards in pharmaceutical production. Popular models. Some of the most popular tablet deduster models include Syndico CC200A, known for its high capacity and compact design. Pharmatech Deduster V200, a vertical deduster with an extended cleaning path. QD3 series, a high-performance machine with a built-in dust collector. Each model offers unique features such as extended cleaning paths, compact designs, and integration with metal detectors, which are perfect for ensuring both quality and safety. How to choose the right tablet deduster model. Choosing the right model depends on several factors. Production volume. If you have a high-volume production line, opt for a model with a large capacity. Tablet size and shape. Ensure the deduster can handle your specific tablet dimensions. Available space. Some models are more compact than others, so be sure to check the machine's footprint. Integration with other machines. Some models can be easily integrated with tablet presses and metal detectors, streamlining the production process. Budget. Higher-end models come with more features, but there are budget-friendly options that still meet industry standards. Common troubleshooting tips. Like any machine, tablet dedusters can occasionally run into problems. Here are a few common issues and how to troubleshoot them. Excessive noise. This could be due to loose parts or misaligned components. Always check the machine for proper assembly. Uneven tablet cleaning. Ensure the vibration intensity is set correctly and that the perforated plates or screens are clean and unobstructed. Dust leakage. If dust is escaping the machine, inspect the dust extraction unit for blockages or issues with the filters. Tablet damage. If tablets are chipping or breaking, reduce the vibration intensity or check that the machine isn't overloaded. Common maintenance practices. Regular maintenance keeps your deduster running efficiently. Some key maintenance tasks include cleaning the machine after each use to prevent cross-contamination, lubricating moving parts according to the manufacturer's recommendations, inspecting and replacing worn parts, such as perforated screens or dust extraction filters, calibrating vibration intensity to match the production needs, ensuring consistent performance. We hope this video has been helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with any questions you may have. Thanks for watching.